I'm Joseph Brooks, and this is Lawyer in the Kitchen. Welcome. Today we are going to make deviled eggs. Now, Seth, how old do you think deviled eggs are?
Old as the devil.
Old as the devil. Well, just about. What do you think, Felicity?
I think Seth's answer is pretty good. I can't beat it.
You can't beat that answer? Well, actually, deviled eggs go back to ancient Rome. And they're called deviled eggs because the Romans first boiled these eggs and then they put these spicy sauces so they were really hot like the devil. Now, at some functions, people call them salad eggs or dressed eggs to avoid the devil reference, but they're deviled eggs and we're good with it. We're gonna make 6 eggs. Now, we've taken these out about 45 minutes before we're gonna cook them so they're not gonna be just super cold. We're going to have, and this is gonna be barbecued, let's see if we get this right. Barbecued fried chicken deviled eggs is what we're going to make today. All right, and so we've got some fried chicken that I'm not making fried chicken because I can't make fried chicken. I mean, people do it better than I do. I'm not going to even try. And these are nuggets, which are perfect. I'm going to cut these up a little bit. That's going to go on top. We're going to take the yolks out, of course, and we're going to mix them with 3+ tablespoons of mayonnaise, about 1.5 teaspoons of Dijon, 2 teaspoons of pickle juice, and the additional thing is to make it a little creamy, a little smoother than normal, is about a 1.5 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. But the first thing we're going to do is to boil these eggs, and I'm going to show you how to do these perfectly, and so that they are absolutely easy to peel. They're not green, they're going to be just right. All right, so the water is now boiling. We're going to turn it so it's not boiling. And we're going to put the eggs in. We already got a broken egg. I see that, so I'm going to get one more egg because we're going to have 6. This is going to be 14 minutes on the nose right there. There's a timer. Turn off the gas. Pull these eggs out. I got one that's got a little break in it. That's all right. Shouldn't have boiled this as hard. These have got to cool for at least 15 minutes. And if an hour, there's nothing wrong with an hour on this, but 15 minutes for sure. But this should stop the cooking. That's 14 minutes on the nose. We're going to wait for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then we're going to take these out and look at them. I actually let these cool for an hour. So let's see if you want to hit them on the bottom, and then you want to roll them a little bit and crack. Let's see if we get a nice clean egg out of this. Oh, look at that. See, isn't that nice? If the yolks are right, this is going to be a perfect egg. And we'll just put it back in the water. Like I said, if the yolks are right, this is going to be great. If these are green, we're going to make another video. Okay, so we're going to cut these in half. And I'm going to use a serrated small knife. You don't want to use something big because it's just going to pull everything apart. But you want to go right straight down the middle. Ah, look at those eggs. Look at that. Squeeze a little bit on the edges, and hopefully it'll dump right out like that. Just a little bit on the end. The 2 ends. And we got one done. So we're going to put these on our plate. So now we take a fork to these yolks. All right, so we want 3 tablespoons plus of mayonnaise. Now we want to put 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon. Excuse me, 1.5 teaspoons. I'm making a mess all over the place. And now we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of kosher dill pickle juice. Maybe just a tad more. Some people put relish in here, and I like that. Some people put just plain vinegar. I like that. I like deviled eggs any way you make them, just about. Now we're going to mix this up. We are going to put some salt and pepper in there. butter's been sitting out for about an hour. This should make it a little creamier. I've only done this once before because I'm not a piping bag kind of person. I don't bake at all. But this is not complex at all. You just take one of these bags, disposable bags, you put the tip in it. There's probably an easier way to do this, but this works. There. You fold back a little cuff. I actually learned this from my wife. Not this part, cuffing the bags. All right. And then we fill this up. So we're going to bring this stuff down, twist this bag. Whoa, I've already got, I swear, this is the biggest mess. Look at this. This is the biggest mess I have made in my life. Well, that's not true, but it's right up there. Okay, so we're going to pipe this in for the very purpose of not making a mess. This is fried chicken. These are fried chicken nuggets, actually. Okay, so now all we're lacking is the barbecue sauce. You ready? Hey, these are going to be good. I think, well, we just made these the other day. All right, you ready for this?
This looks really good.
It does look good. You did a good job. Here, you go ahead and try it.
Oh. The barbecue sauce is the perfect touch. That's really good. You did good, lawyer.
All right, let's have a taste. The barbecue sauce is tangy. Tries to add just a little bit. Got a little bit of that pickle taste in there. The Dijon.
But you can taste the pickle.
Yeah, you can. You got to have more than 1 teaspoon. You got to have a little more than 2 for 6 eggs.
The barbecue sauce is the key.
That's good. I'm happy with it.
That's good.
Thanks for coming by. I'll see you all next time on Lawyer in the Kitchen.